Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is SVTU KMLN OQPR GIHJ. As I have said you earlier, whenever you come across with the problems with the letters, first try to write their position. For that, let me consider SVTU. Okay, now let me write the positions of these letters. What is the position of letter S? Yes, of course it is 19. What is the position of the letter V? Yes, it is 22. Now what is the position of the letter T? Of course it is 20. And what is the position of the letter U? Of course it is 21. Now let us consider the letters K, M, L, N. Okay. Now what is the position of the letter K? Yes, of course it is 11. Now what is the position of the letter M? Of course it is how much? 13. Now what is the position of the letter L? Yes, of course it is 12. And what is the position of the letter N? Yeah, it is 14. Similarly, consider O, Q, P, R. Now write the positions of these letters as O is having position how much? Yes, 15. Now what is the position of the letter Q? Yes, it is 17. Okay. Now what is the position of the letter P? Yes, it is 16. And what is the position of the letter R? Of course it is how much? 18. Similarly, let me consider G, R, H, J. Okay. Now what is the position of the letter G? Yes, it is 7. Now what is the position of the letter I? Of course it is 9. Now what is the position of the letter H? Yes, it is 8. And what is the position of the letter J? Of course it is 10. Okay. Well friends, now see here. Try to get the relationship between these numbers. Okay. Now how do I get 22 from 19? By common analogy, if I add 3. Okay, that means 19 plus 3 is 22. Now how do I get 20 from 22? If I subtract 2. Isn't it? Similarly, how do I get 21 from 20? If I add 1. Okay, you just see here. Now next. Now how do I get 13 from 11? Yes, by adding 2. Now how do I get 12 from 13? Yes, by subtracting 1. And how do I get 14 from 12? Yes, of course by adding 2. Okay, that is plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Now how do I get 17 from 15? Yes, of course it is by adding 2. Now how do I get 16 from 17? Yes, by subtracting 1. Now how do I get 18 from 16? Absolutely, by adding 2. Again, once again here, plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Similarly, now how do I get 9 from 7? Yes, by adding 2 once again. Okay. Now how do I get 8 from 9? Yes, by subtracting 1. Now how do I get 10 from 8? Yes, by adding 2. Now see here. Now friends, look at these numbers. That is plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. That means these three are alike. That means these three series of letters are alike, whereas the first one is different. Therefore, now let us check the given options. The first option is itself SVTU, which is the right option. Well friends, we will see some more number of problems.